Alright, it's got Wessex Blades. Just gonna clean this off a minute with a bit of WD. And whilst I was out in the workshop getting the ferro rod blank bits sorted out, I grabbed a ball bearing steel Merlin and went for it. So a bit of a play whilst I was in there and the heater was on. Pretty sharp. Pretty sharp, and it's got a little bit of an edge on there as well. Very nice. Lean, mean, slicing machine. Nice. So, waiting back on some getting new stencils for the etching. So eventually I'll get the etching done on a few blanks. I'm just holding fire because I'm not happy with I think the old one's got a hole in it now, and it doesn't matter how much I mask it off, it's just gone way past. So we know we're back on some, I think, sort of thin vinyl ones, but got on with that in the meantime. And then we've got 2 bits of stabilised U. Stabilised U. I've got my 2 pieces of blue G10 and my piece of very thin U to make a U sandwich in the middle. So let's crack on with that. Right, thanks for joining me again for just show what I've been up to. A bit of a play.